Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll explain how you can edit your packing slip on Shopify. First, make sure you are on your Shopify admin page. From here, click on Settings, then click on Shipping and Delivery. Scroll down a little bit and look for the section that says Packing Slips. Now, right beside Packing Slip Template, you have the Edit button. Go ahead and click Edit. So this is where you want to go if you want to edit your packing slip template. Now, if you want to preview what you have right now, then click on Preview Template, and this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to edit your packing slip template, then let's open a new tab and type in Edit Packing Slip on Shopify. And then click on the second link. From here, scroll down until you see SFN packing slip template. Go to number 4, and here are the two text files that you can use. For the first one, if you want your order notes to be displayed on the packing slip, then this is the one you download. But if you don't want to show them, then click the second file. Click to download, and then let's open. Now what you're going to do is Control A or select everything on this notepad and Control C or copy. Then go back to your packing slip template on Shopify. Control A or select all, delete, and simply paste. If you're good with that, go ahead and click Save. Now, if you want to see the changes, just click Preview Template. So now this is what it looks like after the changes. So that's it. That's how easy it is to edit your packing slip on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.